Welcome to Arc-Zone. Today we're going to be installing a Lowrider slam kit. First, get your super awesome monster nozzle off your torch. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, make sure there's no damage to your torch body, no debris, anything left over in there. And then you're going to take your new insulator and make sure it seats all the way in. Some of them snap harder than others. Just make sure this is all the way in. You're going to install your gas lens, not all the way, and then drop in your provided wedge collet and back cap, and then set your thread depth to just above the insulator, and then bring up the back cap to put tension, install your nozzle, release the tension, install the pre-ground tungsten that comes with the kit without poking yourself. Put tension back on and you're done.